YouTubers, how you diddling? Alright out, long time no see. Right, today I'm going to be installing a Stratos aftermarket air cleaner on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. So it's going to be slightly different to other ones you've seen, if you've seen any, if you're interested. It's supposed to give it, you know, a little bit of a boost up. So let's show you the item and we'll get stuck in. So what we got? Stratos. They're a UK company. I was looking for a DNA filter or a K&M filter, not quite sure what I wanted, but I spotted this and I thought that's the one. So it's supposed to give you a bit of an upgrade. Let's show you why. So first of all, you've got your pretty standard aftermarket air cleaner. Or it comes pre-oiled, and as you can see here it says Stratos Performance made in Britain, and it is an S1011 if anybody is interested, but pretty much same as the K&N and the DNA and any other out there that might exist. But the reason, can you see this? The reason I went for this particular one is this piece. Don't ask how much it all costs, you don't want to know. This is what creates a Venturie, is it? I think that's what they call it. So we basically have that. Actually, and what a lovely piece of work. It really is. Beautiful piece of work. And of course the whole idea is it fits almost perfectly, I would imagine, on there. Yeah. It seals nicely when it's in. Now the whole idea is that each one of these grooves, as the air comes rushing in, it smooths it out and forms it straight in there. They've shown you, if anybody's interested in all the DNA, in all the dyno testing on these sort of things, it's available on Stratos Performance. I say I bought this myself. I wish they'd have sent it me, but they didn't. And you know, the tight sods haven't even sent me a sticker. Bloody marvellous, isn't it? Not even got a sticker to put on the outside of your bike if you wanted to. I'm not that sort of person. Anyway, that's all it is. Quick video just to show you what it is. The install's probably even quicker. Alright, catch you in a minute. Okay, so first things first. Oh, hard work this is. First things first, I'll put this bag on, so I've got to get the seat off. So easy for me, all I have to do is that, reach in, pull my lever, and the seat pops up. So seat off, stash that just there, and right, how's the easiest way to do this? Let me just move you guys. Right, so on this we have I think it's a 4mm Allen bolt just here to take the air cleaner side off. So we'll get stuck into that. See the problem or the difference between having to do something like this and record it compared to just doing it. If you're just doing it, that's all good. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's a 4mm, but if not, then use a different one. Okay, so now I do believe that should be loose, that side, yeah. So this side I think just pops out, hopefully. Oh, something fell. What was that? Yeah. This side's on a rubber from what I see. Oh, there you go, in the book. And this side lifts up. They made it a right job, so you've got a lift up, a pull out and a screw. So I'm going to put that under the bike where I know I can't damage it. Okay, so now we need a ordinary Phillips screw, because don't forget it's not a Japanese bike, so we don't need a JIS. Just a minute. That's strangling me, son. So hopefully when I've done all this it'll all be okay, volume wise and everything. So you don't need to see up there anymore, so I'll bring you around here. Right, so as you can see on here we have just 3 ordinary Phillips screws, and like I say, to my knowledge they are just Phillips screws, machine screws. The reason, like I said, it's British or Indian or whichever way you look at it, whatever it is not Japanese. So the reason for changing the Venturi on it is because this is all you've got. This tiny little opening, which is not a lot, and of course it's dragging the air in from the back as you're travelling forward, mostly so it doesn't get red hot air, but yeah, that's that. Sort of sucks the air in from this sort of level. And of course we've got the paper filter, which all in all doesn't look too bad. Now I didn't have to buy the I could have just bought a I could have just bought the Venturie if I'd wanted to, but anyway I didn't. So there we go. Is there a right way and a wrong way? Well, I'm going to keep it so that the SR for Stratos, SP for Stratos Performance is going to be the right way around, and just there, and it fits nicely in there. And then we shall get the machine screws that they've supplied. And get set too. Like I say, very simple job. I'm not trying to drag it out by doing it this way, but it's certainly convoluted by the time you've got everything in place to record it. Right, so yeah, this is, they've said, can produce up to 2 brake horsepower. Personally, I don't 100% believe that, but we'll see. The proof is in the pudding. We'll have a look. It's a shame the rest of this isn't nice and tidy, because that it almost seems a shame. Well, it does seem a shame to go have something as beautiful as that, and I like that. That is beautiful. It's a work of art. So not going to over tighten it. About as tight as the ones that were in there. But no doubt we've only got brass inners in plastic. That's what they normally do. So there we have it. And now time to put everything back. So that into there, that pops into there, and that somehow goes onto there. Okay, right, I'll button it all up and we'll get ready for a start up. Side panel screw. Not too tight. Seat. Job done. And refasten my bag up. Okay, what I would do is I would advise, whenever you've done anything like this, you start it up. If you've done anything to do with inlet or exhaust, as in changed it so there's going to breathe easier or back to standard, or exhale, exhaust easier, unlike me who's suffering at the moment. Yeah, whenever you've done anything like this, start the bike up and just leave it on tick over for sort of 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes, and let the ECU just get accustomed to the fact that it's now got you know, a different airflow system. So let's lift you up a touch. Don't know why I'm doing this. Well, actually I do. I want my wire closer. So here we go. Keys in, turn. Does sound nice, that. Well, actually I don't need to, I just turned it round, just on tick over. You can see there, you can also see right up there. Yeah, so anyway, we'll come back after the tick over for a bit. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. Right, been ticking over now for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to switch it off. And from what I understand, what we're supposed to do now is basically when we restart it, it should have had time to its thing. The other thing is a nice steady ride. Let it basically let the ECU learn. That's what we're supposed to be doing. We'll try again. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it's been of any interest to you. If it's not, say so. Let me know. Please give us a like if you can. Just subscribe if you don't. And give us a thumbs up. Just, yeah, I hope and intend to get fully back into this again. Getting back into motovlogging. Things have been a bit up and down lately in my personal life, so we'll get to it. Anyway, Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ride safe. Don't do it, I won't do. Bye.